In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a website in Canva from scratch, step by step, even if you have zero web design experience. Canva makes it incredibly easy to design and publish a professional-looking website without any coding, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully designed website ready to share. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account or sign up for free if you don't already have one. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home dashboard, where you can see all your recent designs and available options. From the home screen, look for the More option. Click on More to open up additional design types available in Canva. In this menu, find and click on Websites. This will open the website design section inside Canva. Once you click Websites, a new website window will open, showing different website templates. Canva offers several types of websites, including personal, business, portfolio, and more. In this example, I'm creating a business website. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can type the kind of website template you want. Go ahead and type something specific so Canva can show you the most relevant designs. For example, I'm going to type business website for a cafe. Canva will now display multiple templates related to cafe and business websites. Scroll through the templates and click on the one you like the most. Once you click on a template, Canva will give you the option to apply all sections. Click on Apply All Sections so the full website layout loads into your editor. Now your website template is fully loaded and ready to customize. You can start editing any section by clicking directly on it. You can change text, replace images, and rearrange elements to match your brand or business. To edit images or add new visuals, click on Elements from the left sidebar. Here you can add shapes, graphics, photos, or icons. You can also use Canva's AI feature by clicking on Generate Images, which allows you to create images using AI based on your description. To edit text, click on the Text option from the sidebar. You can add a new text box or use Magic Write to generate text using AI. This is especially helpful for writing website content quickly, like headlines, descriptions, or call to action sections. If you want to change the text color, simply select the text, click on the color option in the top toolbar, and choose any color you like. You can also highlight text to make certain words stand out more. Canva also offers various tools to enhance your website. Click on Tools from the sidebar and explore options like background remover, animations, and other design features. Choose any tool that fits your website style. Continue customizing until you're happy with how your website looks. Once everything is done, your website is ready. You can publish it directly through Canva and share it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a website in Canva in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.